there is a Suzuki,
And also
Yamaha.
Yamaha? What Yamaha?
It's Yamaha.
What
It's also
Yamaha?
brand of cars. Who am I?
You're the vlogger.
So guys, he just told me that I am a vlogger though.
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah, because he always beat you every day.
Roblox is evil.
Evil is not.
Roblox is evil.
I love Roblox and also Kuya Kitchen.
Yeah, that's why you are evil too. Because of the Roblox.
Why my classmate like Roblox?
Because it's evil. I was just kidding.
Let's try to argue on the other side.
No.
Why?
It's under construction.
So we cannot get there.
Yes, we can using motorcycle, but the car, I don't know. Maybe their house is just in there, a few away from the highway, so that they don't need to go to the rough road.
Why?
Yeah, you know what I mean. It's rough road, I said. It's under construction also. We will go there if it's already fully constructed.
Oh, why the Toyota then go there? The Toyota Supra.
What?
That Toyota Supra.
It's not Toyota, it's Suzuki.
No, you mean Toyota.
I haven't seen Toyota.
I see Toyota every day. Toyota is the car.
Yeah, I know Toyota is a brand of car.
But like that ba?
Yeah, I
What's
knew.
that one?
That's Toyota.
But
That
there's
one
a
in front of
Supra.
us is Suzuki. It's called
Why?
Suzuki.
Why there's a motorcycle Suzuki and also the car Suzuki and also the one have sports car and there's two sports car and Chevrolet.
No, I don't believe that.
Yeah, I believe that. I love sports car.
Really?
Yeah.
But how can I believe if I don't have any Roblox account?
Just make in your own.
No, I don't want.
Write your name.
Hi to my vlog.
Hi.
I already have another vlog in my YouTube channel. Are you excited to see them? I need to see my vlog in the TV. So how's the school?
Okay.
What's okay? Let's go. I'm so early today
Why?
because I just wanted to be early today for you to be happy. Are you happy because I'm early?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you finish your lunch?
Yeah, early.
Wow. Is your Sudan yummy?
Yeah.
What is your Sudan?
Egg in the
Egg and what?
I don't know. I forgot the name.
Ah, okay, let me tell you. Let me guess. It's color red. It's color red
Yeah.
and it's
Have a vegetables.
have vegetables.
Yeah.
Wow.
I ate it. Finish it early.
Oh my god, very good. That is what I want. You need to finish your food early, but easily and surely. Let me see your Sudan.
It's already finished also.
Wow. Oh, you have snacks left. What is that?
I don't know.
Let me
Here.
see. Ah, that's corned beef. That's corned beef.
I finished it earlier.
Yeah, very good. You need to eat properly. You need to eat more. You don't need to eat fast because get messy.
Yeah.
Teachers don't want that. You need to eat slowly,
I eat
But-
slowly.
perfectly.
No, I eat now. I eat finish early.
Very good. What about Zyper?
Yeah. Also,
Yeah, that's
But-
great.
but they eat only smaller.
What?
Yeah. He eats only smaller.
My
Because-
God.
Because
You
his
should-
rice is still have more, but it's too many.
It's too many for him.
Yeah. You
Oh.
cannot finish it.
My God, why?
I don't know. Okay. I put my lunch bag and inside my bag. I was still inside at the classroom.
Because I told you, right? I told you you don't need to bring out your lunch bags every time you go out from your room.
Why?
Because it might distract you. I mean, like, you don't need to carry more things in your hand. Like, you have a spacious bag so that you can put everything, like your tumbler, like your lunch bags, inside of your bag for you to not to.
But why there's a holder?
Yeah, there's a holder for you to pull that lunch bags out of your bag. That's the use of the holder. And yeah, it's okay naman to bring your lunch bags if you are.
But why my classmates then not put inside the lunch bag inside the can bag?
I don't know, to them. Maybe they wanted to bring it handily, like hand in hand. I mean, yeah. Oh my God, there is no space for us to park in the shop.
Oh my gosh.
It's so busy.
Oh my gosh, why?
It's a busy day. I think we need to go back na lang.
Go back later?
Yeah.